Okay, so now we have our seaweed, kelp, dried kelp, dashima, palm size. I added like this amount. Okay, then I added some water into my pot. This is to make our soup stock. Okay, so I use a sachet to put in like the anchovies, and then I closed it. Yep, turn on the fire, put it all in, added shiitake mushrooms, and then cover the pot and set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna make our sauce. This sauce is made with 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of gochugaru. Oh, that's my dad. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix it well so you can keep this aside for later on. Okay, so now we have our onions for our ingredients. Look at me chop them really nicely. Yep. And now I'm gonna add some leek. I honestly like leek because like it adds a bit of texture to the soup. So it's pretty good. Nicer than spring onion. Okay, this is the pork belly that we're gonna add to our soup stock. We're just gonna boil it for about 10 minutes. So it's done. 25 minutes. Open. Lower the fire and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it all in and add our pork belly. Nice. Okay, timer set for 10 minutes and cover. Okay, so this one I use ham, but you can use like sausage or any kind and slice it. I'm just gonna strain out all the ingredients from the soup stock. The ingredients I'm gonna reuse for my soup later. Okay, then take out the ingredients and put back the soup in. I'm gonna cut some mushrooms. Honestly, it's not part of the ingredients, but my family likes it, so I just add in. TBH, you can just add whatever you like in. Just makes it look more aesthetic. Okay, this is enoki mushrooms. I took a bunch. And kimchi. Yes, kimchi is so important. So I took about half a cup out from my ajuma pack. Slice it thinly. And then put it in a bowl. Add some kimchi brine. Okay, we have baked beans and luncheon meat. My luncheon meat I cut into half, but like I kept the rest in the fridge. Later on, actually, I took it out during our dinner. Yeah, so slice it thinly and make it look very pretty. Now for the time lapse, add my onions, pork belly, the spicy sauce that we made just now, lay the mushrooms and the enoki mushrooms, the shiitake mushrooms, and the kelp, the kimchi, the leek, and the spam, and your ham and baked beans. Add the soup stock, add the rice cakes and glass noodles. So yes, my poor video skills, but that's all we have. And turn on the fire, and you will see that our soup is a little bit light, but once you start mixing in, the sauce will actually spread out. And you'll hear my dad being excited. Yep, that's him, and that's our soup.